Okay, we're trying to figure out if X is less than Y. And clue 1 says A is less than C. Well, that doesn't work because we're given these two things, and C is less than Y is less than D. That could be A is less than C, so let A be 1 and C be 2. But it could be like this. 8 is, so here, and make this 3 and 4. So here, 8, X is bigger. Oh, yeah, 8 is bigger than 3. Or it could be 1 is less than 2 is less than 9. Once again, A is less than C. So make it 2 is less than 3 is less than 4. But here, X is less than Y. So clue 1 doesn't work. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So that's not good enough. Now, clue 2 says B is less than C. Is that right? B is less than C. This number is less than that number. So that means that A is less than X is less than B. And B is less than C is less than C is less than Y is less than D. So here X has to be less than Y. So clue 2 works, so B is your answer.